my god, I'm gonna die. The waterfall in my life. What is this called again? Oh, Kyle's trying to kill me. Chasing waterfalls today with this guy.
Yeah, we'll see how we feel. Like we'll shoot this waterfall, hike there to the base.
It is muddy. It is sweaty. Oh my goodness. Tucker! 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 He's back there. Hi, bunny. There she is. During this absolutely remarkable experience, I realized how much undiscovered beauty is within Canada. And it was at this moment here, as I write, that I realized I'm living the life I used to watch on YouTube from those who inspired me the most, living van life. Basically up until now, I've yet to really feel like I'm doing it, yet to experience what I watched from others. However, most of my van life inspiration lives in the States. So for a long time, I felt that's where I had to be, and almost took advantage of my own country. I still watch those few van lifers on YouTube, and it hit me that not many of them are dying to come to Canada, and strictly loving their own country. I've got so much to explore within these Canadian walls. This is where I'm meant to be. And as I explore the depths and beauty of Canada, I'm proud of myself, because yes, I'm doing it.
Come look with me from where I stand. You can see most everything, and I've been waiting for the moment to.
I can't open my doors too heavy. What a successful day! This is such a great neighbor setup. I love it. She'll back in, and then she'll move 10 meters forward, and she'll do it again. Good morning. It is 5 a.m. No, it's like 5:30. I got up at 5 a.m. for another day of hiking. Tucker decided that that was too early, and he is not getting up yet. Hey, buddy. He's so cute. I looked out the window and the sunrise this morning was so nice. Today we were doing a couple more waterfalls, and yeah, then we'll head home. Probably got 5 hours of sleep, but it was 5 hours well worth it. Yeah, we're gonna conquer the day, and I'll probably crash later, but for now, I feel really good.
I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment.
Good morning.
To arrive.
Coffee.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Driving home from a wonderful weekend of hikes and hikes and hikes and waterfalls. Oh my god, I am so tired. Like, driving home is a struggle, and I only have to drive an hour, and I know Kyle has to drive 2.5. Home, family's home. Trying to make it to my family's home. A wonderful weekend. Okay, everything to the side. The weather forecast is calling for hail. I've heard horror stories about people having to like throw their duvet covers up on their solar panels. I'm not about to do that. So we're getting the solar panel covers out from under the bed, and it takes some work. And she had to, I don't know, cover them with a Canadian flag. Never mind. Oh my goodness. The rain is coming. I would just be really upset if I didn't do this Well, so much for those solar panel covers. For this, a matter of like 10 seconds. Wow. Oh my gosh, insane. We got a fallen tree over here. This storm that just passed through made such a mess. Look how close that branch was to the van. Messy road. These trees covering the road. Of course, Dad has to take a tractor and save the day.
On a tractor ride, Kubota. Like a Kubota commercial.
You have one at your house.
Underneath the sky, from the satellite, rivers running wild into the ocean. Dreams of catching flight, breaking paradigms. Only happens right in this very moment. Underneath the sky, from the satellite, rivers running wild into the ocean. Dreams of catching flight, breaking paradigms.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is the new. I don't have a mirror. I was gonna lift my mirror up and show you, but we cannot do that. Say hi, Tucker Bear. Hi. So my plans are like ever changing, and what was supposed to be is no longer, and I'm staying in Toronto for the night, I think, so I can hang out with some of my very best friends back at home. Also vlogging on the new GoPro. So I'm really excited. This is going to be my vlogging camera moving forward. So we're gonna see how that goes and how much I love it, which so far I'm loving it. Let me know what you think. And now, while my people are at the Jays game, Tucker and I are going to go to a dog park and go for a walk. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today, but we are officially back on the road, and I'm very, very excited to head towards Quebec, which is the next location. Toronto driving is honestly insane. Like, oh my goodness. If you live in Toronto, you don't own a vehicle, and you sure as hell don't own a friggin' Ford Transit. Yeah. Yeah, that's so true. I cannot tell you. Also, I woke up at Walmart this morning. I can't tell you how much better I feel. I needed the gym so bad. I needed a little bit of my own space. I needed the gym though. Like, to move my body and go for a run felt so good, and to lift weights felt so good, and to get a solid sleep without an alarm felt so good. Today I am thriving on no makeup. I can wipe my eyes. Some creativity today. Starbucks coffee is always nice. I am still in Toronto though, and we're definitely getting out of here because it's way too hectic for me, but yeah, I feel a little bit more like myself today, and I'm very grateful for that. Free car wash from Shay's family. They are so kind. Look how clean it looks. It's shining. I love it. I don't know if you can hear that. That is the rain and Tucker. But I just go back to the van. Well, that's a lie. I've been at the van and I drove to my sleep spot. It's pouring rain outside, but I had the most wonderful evening and was so honored to shoot an amazing woman and her family. So that just made my Monday. Honestly, it was the best part of my day and I had so much fun. I took like over 400 photos. I'm so excited to go through them, but yeah, it was just like a really, really nice evening. And now I'm probably gonna go through them a little bit and I really need to go to bed, so we'll also be doing that. Okay. I just went to a local pet store in Kingston to get some Tucker more food because he's going to be running out soon, but they don't have his brand of food. So we're trying out Healthy Paws, complete meals for dogs. Yeah, he's not vegan. Hi Tucker, thanks for making an appearance. Tucker, look at these. Whoa. Wow, individually wrapped. They're huge. Like they're small, but they're thick. Tucker, do you smell that? What do you think? You're licking your lips, that's a good sign.
In the heart of every moment, there's a magic hour. The streams are ever flowing through the fields of wildflowers. Let the peaceful freedom draw you in. Let it draw you in to the light where long lost.
Trying to vlog and take a nice film and like look at all of these bugs. Oh my gosh, disgusting. That's like zoomed in, of course, like this is what it looks like to my actual eye, but what the heck. So let's just ignore those bugs and take in the downtown scene of Kingston, Ontario. Probably one of my more favorite cities that I've been in so far.